Had a empty, like useless tank like this, which has a capacity of 1,800 to 2,000 liters. So I was thinking, why not to make an aquaponic system. Aquaponic system is what is which less water, which means that with less water we can cultivate more fish and do more agriculture. So what happens is, I have put some tilapia and red tilapia and black tilapia and karimeen, which I don't know what is the English of that. So what I've done is put a submersive pump, which is 400 rupees, which cost me, which sucks all the solid waste, which food waste, well, that be fish waste, which will go to this mechanical filter. So there is a T down which goes here from down, and there is a L goes that side and L goes this side. So the water will rotate. So above that there is a rice cleaning thing. There is a rice mesh which you normally drain out the water. So the pipe goes directly inside through the rice mesh and drainer technically, which is covered with a cotton cloth. So all the solid waste will be down this part, and I can be removed the solid waste through this drainage pipe. And again I filled the coal on top of that and pebbles, which will filter again the water and come on top of this side, and the water out will be coming through this and goes to the grow bed. So the pebbles, there are two bacteria in the pebbles which will convert the ammonia into nitrite and a nitrate, which is a great source of nutrition to all the plants. See, so they will suck up all the nitrate and nitrate. Nitrite is chemical poison to the fish. Nitrate is very good, not a problem to the fish also. But both are manure for the plants. So the growing period is double 2x. That means if the plant is kept on the soil, which can grow twice the size if you put in the pot. So also I've kept what do you say, duckweed and what do you say, for this is a feeding thing, and asola, which is a great food for feed to the fish. So you can save a lot of money than giving the fish feed. So this is what so the technique is, doing the aquaponic system is with less water we can have a non-toxic fish. Like, you know how the fishes come to the market is with a lot of poisons on that. So this, you have in-house fish, you can catch, put the hook and catch it. I'm just kidding, you can catch it directly and fry it or make it curry. So that's another system which I made it. That's all.